What's up, guys? Hope your weekend is going great. Shoot, I should have turned my light on. But anyways, hope you're having a great Labor Day weekend so far. So I don't want to make this video spreading doom and gloom, okay? I just want you to know what may happen. Now, it is said that Bitcoin could collapse to $10,000 if this thing happens. And before we get into this, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you'll know when my content is live. So what could take Bitcoin down to $10,000? So in a recent thread, T3 Trading Group's Scott Redler says that the price of Bitcoin might be on a track to plunge to $10,000 if bulls fail to hold 17.6. And realistically, that is completely within the realm of possibility. You know, there have been people calling for 10, 11, 12, $13,000 Bitcoin just kind of based on what the market has been doing. Now, the thing is September has not been a great month for Bitcoin historically. So there's only been 2 green months of Bitcoins in its history, and that was during 2015 and 2016. So there's been some large percentage collapses in Bitcoin in some of the prior years, like 2014 and 2019. Now, the big question is, well, I guess it's not really a big question, but what do I see happening to Bitcoin? Well, September is a month where there's a lot of catalysts this time around. Okay. So obviously we got the jobs report back, which that was kind of meh. So we know there's an FOMC meeting coming up, which might be meh, right? I think the market's based for 70 or prepared for 75 basis points to come. You know, if it's anything larger than that, obviously we might drop. If it's 75 or less, we'll probably be just fine. We'll probably see a market pump. But there's some big catalysts that could actually, turn this into the third green month that Bitcoin has ever had. And let me go ahead and tell you what those are. So in the middle of September, I believe September 15th and 16th is when the expected and anticipated Ethereum merge is supposed to happen. So this is obviously when Ethereum is, moving over from proof of work over to proof of stake. It's going to become a deflationary asset. So what you may see is you may actually see Ethereum start to drive the price of Bitcoin up. So add some confidence in the market. Okay. This could be obviously a big thing because Ethereum is the second largest crypto in the entire, I don't want to say industry, but it's the second largest crypto that is out there. Now, what you also have coming up is September 22nd, you have the Cardano Vassal hard fork launching, which that is obviously another big thing. Cardano is a top 10 coin. I believe it currently sits at number 7 right now. There's been a good price run up there. So that may end up driving the market a little bit as well. Now, there's a few other things going on too. Obviously, Clear Cryptos is going to be making a big announcement in the next week or so here. So that could obviously be bullish for the market. Big anticipation behind there. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely some catalysts that I think could actually turn this into a green month for Bitcoin. Obviously, we'll kind of have to wait and see what happens. But if this does end up being good news, I think at this point, it's going to be very hard for Bitcoin to get down to those levels that they're talking about, like your $10,000 through $13,000 Bitcoin. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. This is just kind of what I'm expecting at this point. Could we go lower? Absolutely, right? That's why we all kind of, hope we have money on the side and we're ready to buy these dips as we have them. And again, guys, there's dips in crypto. It's volatility is part of the game. But again, acquiring in these, and again, this is not financial advice, but acquiring in these kind of situations is what can obviously help, build your bag for the future. So we're all kind of sitting, waiting. We got probably, 11 days until the anticipated Ethereum merge. So that'll kind of be the catalyst to really see how things start to go this month. We may have some flat trading, maybe a little spikes here and there, just kind of in anticipation of that as we move forward into the coming weeks. But we'll be monitoring it really closely. We'll obviously keep you guys updated on stuff as we find it. As always, I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch the video. Again, if you are new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get updates when all my content is live for you. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.